Most homes these days have some form of smart assistance, whether it's a smart display or just your smartphone. But these are usually tethered to a table at a fixed angle or require you to pick them up in order to see what you're doing. The Echo Show 10 is a smart display that can move with you as you go about your daily tasks. The thing that truly sets the Echo Show 10 aside from other smart displays is its swivel screen. Move freely around the room during video calls and the 10.1-inch HD screen will automatically turn to face you, while the 13-megapixel camera puts you front and center during your conversation at all times. The swivel screen lets you move around doing everyday tasks while streaming shows, video calls, or following recipes, all without missing anything important on screen. Securely access the built-in camera from the Alexa app on your phone to look around the room. Simply swipe from left to right to move the camera in that direction. You can hear who's on the other side by activating the speaker option on your device and talk back to them by activating the microphone. The inbuilt speakers deliver directional sound that adapts to the space you're in. You can see lyrics on screen, recommendations, and album art with Amazon Music, or stream directly from your other favorite music apps. The 10.1-inch HD screen brings your shows to life from Prime Video, Netflix, and more. It's also perfect for catching up on the latest news and sports highlights, making the Echo Show 10 a real hub for entertainment. Alexa can control other compatible smart devices like security cameras, lights, thermostats, and more. Just ask her to show you the front door camera or change a light to a different color. Zigbee compatible devices can even be set up by voice without the need for a separate hub. Simply tell Alexa to discover your devices and the Echo Show 10 will discover and set up those compatible devices so you can control them with your voice or manage them on screen. With all this high-grade tech, privacy is still really important. The Echo Show 10 has multiple layers of privacy controls, including a microphone off button and a built-in tactile shutter to physically cover the camera. You can disable motion at any time by voice, on device, or in the Alexa app. And if anyone is viewing the camera on their device, a text will appear on screen informing anyone in the room. To learn more about the Echo Show 10, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.